Hello and welcome to an episode of This Mods. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 8 Developer Preview on a virtual machine. It can be either Oracle, VM, Virtualbox, or the Vmware 8 workstation. Today I'm going to show you how to do it on the Oracle VM Virtualbox. So the first thing that you do is you need to go down into the description and download the Oracle VM Virtualbox. After you've downloaded that, you need to download the Windows 8 Developer Preview. The link will also be in the description. So once you've downloaded everything you need to install the Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox. Once installed, just double click on it. And the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager screen should pop up. Right, now you need to go over to the New and hit New. This welcome to the new virtual machine wizard will pop up and hit next. Now you need to name your virtual machine, so just name it whatever you want. Now this is the operating system you are currently running, so I'm using Microsoft Windows and the version is not XP, it is Windows 7 64-bit. Now go ahead and click next. This is the memory size of your RAM, so this is the maximum RAM here. This is the maximum RAM. And the RAM I'm going to use is 512, the recommended. So I'm going to hit next. Now this startup disk icon should be ticked and the create new hard disk should already be ticked, and go ahead and hit next. Now if this VDI VirtualBox disk image is not already ticked, you need to check it and go ahead and hit next. Now hit next again, hit next once again, and you need to go and hit ahead and hit create. Once it's done that, you need to hit create once again, and it will create your Windows 8 virtual machine. So this is where the Windows 8 comes in. Once you've created your virtual machine, you need to go ahead and start it up. If this box appears, just hit OK. Welcome to the first run wizard. It'll be highly recommended if you read through this, and then once you've done that you can hit next. Now this is where you get your Windows 8 from. This little icon in the corner, you need to go ahead and click that, and you need to find your Windows 8 Developer Preview. So mine's in the downloads. Now hit open. As you can see, it's changed. Once it's done that, you need to go ahead and hit next. Now hit start, and the Windows 8 Developer Preview should start in the Oracle VirtualBox. As you can see, the Windows Developer Preview screen and the little loading icon. Once you get to this screen, it's super easy. All you need to do now is change your language. Since mine is English, I'm keeping mine as English. And the time and currency format, I'm going to keep mine into English. I'd find English United Kingdom, since I'm from the UK. Now your keyboard and input method needs to be on the specified one, so I am from the United Kingdom, so it's going to be on the United Kingdom. Now, once all you've done that, you need to hit next. And hit install now. As you can see, the setup is starting. And once this screen pops up, you can just scroll down and hit I accept the license terms, and go ahead and hit next. Now just hit custom and advanced, hit disk unallocated space and hit next. once it's installing Windows, now you need to sit back and relax. Once it's finished, I will come back and show you what it's done. Okay, so once it's booted up, it will look something like this. Since the installation has finished, it automatically restarts itself and looks something like this. So once it's getting the system ready, once it's finished doing that, I will be back. Okay, so once it's finished doing that, you need to exit, so you need to power off your machine, and you need to go to Windows 8. This is your machine, and right click and go to Settings. Under the settings box should load up, something like this. So once it's loaded up, you can go to your storage and this Windows Developer Preview 64-bit. This here, you need to delete this, so go here and you need to remove and hit remove. Once it's removed, you can just hit OK, and now you can start your Windows machine once again and hit OK. Hit OK. And once it's finished loading, I will be back. Okay, so once it's booted up and you've restarted it, this screen should pop up the license terms screen. So just hit I accept the license terms and go ahead and hit accept. Now we can go to the personalized screen. This screen should pop up. So now you can just name it and go ahead and hit next. Just hit use express settings. And if you can click next, go ahead and press it. And this finalize your settings screen should appear. So once it's done this, I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so once it's finished doing this, it will look something like this. This screen will appear, and it will say welcome. So, okay, and once it's finished doing whatever it's doing, this screen will appear. You are currently running Windows 8. So to scroll through, you can use your mouse. And this is the start menu. As you can see, you have Visual Studio 11 Express, and you can go to your desktop